Hello, my friends. It is Fold It time. What does that mean? That means the Club Fold It is being announced. And let me just tell you, this little critter, yes, it's a critter, is so dang adorable. So here we go. It is a llama, and this is a very, very fluffy llama. Let me show you a sample really quick. Look at how cute this little guy is. Now, the cool thing about this is I've added so many more pieces. So you have a different blanket here, a different blanket here, extra pieces for that blanket, and extra little pieces to decorate that blanket. Now, Fold It Club members, you know you get the Fold It Club, Fold It, but you also get 2 different stencils. So one is to decorate the background with these fun little whooshes, whooshes, whooshes. The other one is this awesome diamond background, and I absolutely love it. I'm going to show this to you in just a minute because it's so amazing. Now, let's look at the samples really quick. Here we go. Look at how gorgeous this is. This is on a 5x7 card. So not only can your Fold It be a Fold It, it can also be on a card. This is on a 5x7 card. Here it is on an A2 size card. Also perfect for scrapbook pages and wait for it, banners. So Fold-its are not just shaped cards. They can go on a 5x7, they can go on an A2, they can go on a banner, or they can be used by themselves or a scrapbook page. I know, there's so many different options. Now look how cute that banner is, by the way. I absolutely love it. And then look at how cute this little guy is. And what I want to really show you is how different each and every one of these guys are, but they're totally different. I mean, they're similar, but they're different, right? Each and every one. This one's a little top heavy. There we go. Love it, each and every one, right? Now, let's look at this one. Oh, on a 5x7 card. So cute. Look how fun that is. And look at the background. Look at that background. Believe in the magic of Christmas. I absolutely love it. Now, let's look at, ooh, this is a fun one. Just decorate the envelope. Look how cute that is with the fun little blanket. Now look at what Michelle made. Oh, so cute. It's a little stuffy, but she added a little piece of Velcro in a little bag. And look, I can change the blanket on the llama. So I can have that blanket, or I can switch that out and add that blanket. Isn't that adorable? I absolutely love it. Now, let me show, did I show you this one? Oh my gosh, you guys, these are just so dang cute. Okay, let me show you really quick the awesome one of the stencils that you get in this kit. So I'm using my magnetic board and I'm grabbing my blending brush, but I want you to see, in this color, just so you know, is Ocean. I want you to see at how awesome this stencil is. And I'm not going to do the whole thing. I just want you to see how much I love this because it's so fun. And it's just different. And I love that it's so different. Perfect for background cards. Ready? Are you ready for this? Look at that. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? I know. I totally love it. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Now, my friends, the Fold It Club is not available on our website separately. You can only get this Fold It and these stencils by being in the Fold It Club. So you definitely, if you're not in the Fold It Club, it is our fastest growing club, by the way, make sure you go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on join the club and just watch the video because you really need to see how amazingly awesome this cute little llama is. You cannot get him on our website. Oh, club members, you also get your idea card. Don't worry, you're getting your idea card as well. And there's lots more ideas, all of these and more on our website at thestampsoflife.com. Click on the gallery and you can see all of those awesome ideas. Now, join the Fold It Club now, ASAP, to get in on this one because once it's gone for at least a year, 15 months, you won't even be able to get it. How sad would that be? So go check it out, thestampsoflife.com, and Fold It Club members, yours are on their way. Happy mail is coming. I'm so excited for you. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.